Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to pin comment on TikTok. If you are a content creator on TikTok, pinning comments can be an effective way to engage with your audience and showcase positive feedback on your videos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, go back and open your Apple Store. Then guys, you need to get the last version and the last update to your TikTok application. As you know guys, I need to update my TikTok account. Then hit on update. Then guys, open your TikTok account. Then in the bottom and right, tap on profile. Then on the top there is three lines. Then go directly to settings and privacy section. As you see guys, you need to scroll to support and about section. Then hit on report a problem. Then guys, wait a few seconds, then scroll to follow and like and comment section. Then wait a few seconds, then go directly to comment. Then hit and click on others. Then guys, tap on no, then need more help. Then guys, on the top you need to tap please can you add pin comment on pin comment features on my account. Then guys, hit on submit, then wait a few days, 2 days or 3 days, then your problem will solved. Then pin comment will add it to your TikTok account automatically. As you know guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.